right, there's two kind of reflections you can have. You can have a reflection across the x-axis or reflection across the y-axis. So when you reflect, it's going to be the opposite. So if you reflect across the x, that means your y is going to change. If you reflect across the y, then that means your x is going to change. All right, so that's the rules you need to learn. Now let me show you what it looks like on the graph paper. So let's say I have 0, 0, that's my origin, but I'm gonna put a point, I don't know, let's put a point right here. Let's put a point right here, and I'm gonna say, let's reflect it across the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So I'm gonna reflect it across this. I'm gonna reflect it across this. This point is 2, 2. All right, so I'm gonna reflect it across the x-axis. That means my negative has to be y. So now I'm gonna have 2, -2. Okay, 2, -2. And if we go the opposite that you do here, 1, 2, and do the opposite right here, 1, 2. And that point for sure is 2, -2. So it works when the x-axis. Now let's try the y-axis. Let's say I'm gonna give a different point. Let's say my point now is, what point is this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4. All right, now I'm gonna reflect across the y-axis. This is the y-axis. I'm gonna reflect across that. When I reflect across the y-axis, it say change the x. So change the x, -3, 4. All right, now let's see it on graph paper. Let's see it on graph paper. If I come on the y and I have to go over 1, 2, 3, that means on this side, I'm gonna come over 1, 2, 3, and that's my point. Now let's get the order pair for this point. 1, 2, -3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So -3, 4, -3, 4. So if you learn the rules, then you know how to apply it on the graph paper. But for across the x, change the y. Across the y, change the x.
So we're gonna make a reflection across the y-axis, please. Perfect. That's perfect. Now go back. Go back. How about if you want to make a reflection across the x-axis? Perfect. That's it. That's it for reflections. That's perfect. Thank you. That's really the only one we needed to do for that one, because it's